Guys, so back at it for another video today. Today we're going to be doing an install video on Josh's car. You might remember him. He had the gray Civic that I've done multiple videos on. He had the silver Civic that I've done multiple videos on that have gotten really big, have been really big hits. So, but actually now he has a Focus ST. So now it's time to start modding this. So that today, that's what we're up here doing tonight, real late. Is we're gonna put an intake in. It's a, help me out. It's a Depo racing intake pipe, and then he has an OEM RS airbox that's gonna go on with it too. So hoping for a real nice sound out of that. Quality and everything looks really, really good on it. So if you guys wanna check them out, do that. I'm not a Ford guy. I don't know anything about what all comes with these cars, but check them out. So once our other friend gets here, wherever the hell he's at, we'll get started. So let's do it. Alright guys, so far we have a hole and we have the top part off, and now I'm not gonna be able to see this, but that's okay. Back here in the back there's a hose clamp. Keeps this part on that we're trying to get off. Unfortunately I dropped the ratchet that we were using to take off that hose clamp, so now Josh has to jack his car up so we can get it off this flash guard. So what you saw was us struggling with some of the bolts, but as you can see it's just a couple. There's 4 black ones and a couple ones up here, and then there's one that's over here. So not hard to get off, just issues we had following getting the sensor off. So we're getting it. All right, so after a long time spent, we got it. This is what it looks like. So this bitch of a clamp all the way down to turbo, up. These are all easy. Then there's a sensor back here, pain in the butt to get to.
PVC hose.
PVC hose. Good call. And then got some sensors right here. So it wasn't hard to put back together. It's just hard to get everything else out. It probably would have been easier to jack the car up and take the skid plate off, or the guard off, but that's all right. We men, we got this.
Worst install video ever. Should no installation.
Yeah, come on now, yeah, dude.
Before and after.
Yeah, before and after, there you go. Well, that's all. So we got it on there. Got a video clip that you guys already heard. So definitely made a big difference, I think. What do you guys think? Big difference?
Better. We gotta drive it. I'm waiting for everybody to rush in.
True, yeah, we gotta go for a drive. But that's all I got for you. So that's the install. Got more coming for this, so hopefully we can get some more videos. So for now, see ya. Bye, y'all.
I'm heavily weighted.
Peace. Have a good one. All right.
I don't have like copper. It's like radar, but for cops.
6,500.
here.